Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Bang Bang TV. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful weekend in this summery day. Guys, today we are talking about Uthando Nesithembu, and we are recapping on Musa's Instagram post that got when he removed all his pictures with Samke, wife number 5. Why did he have to do that? Why did he do that? Because he removed those pictures when we heard about the news of Umpumelelo killing someone at their Mzumbe homestead. Uthini 1 + 1, guys? Uthini 1 + 1? Like, he removed all his pictures with wife number 5 uSamke, and then he posted isithombe sakhe noMpumelelo saying bana Sibindi uyabulala uphinde uphilise kwakhona. Ave ajulile lamagama, ave ajulile nkosi yami. Like, what did he mean by that? What did he mean by saying those words? Ukubana Sibindi uyabulala uphinde uphilise. He was definitely referring to Mpumelelo, but what did he really mean? Ukubana, hey guys, also Mpumelelo, now knowing ukubana he killed someone, like, that is like forever, like umoya nje ukunamathela nje kuze kube naphakade nje, bangamhlamba bamthini benzele umsebenzi. I know it was an intruder, and he says ukubana it was self-defense and he was trying to protect himself. So when he saw that ukubana the intruder was armed, so wakhupha naye ke sakhe isibhamu wamdubula wambulala. Kanene le intruder ibizefuna bani emagcekeni asemzumbe, emagcekeni awamseleko? Khani akunabo ma-bodyguard nyana okanye the Mzumbe homestead ayibiyelwanga na? So even people now were saying bana, let's hope ukubana Musa Mseleko will be there for Umayeni as Umpumelelo is going through all this ideal of Umpumelelo killing someone, the court case, him being arrested and everything that comes with such crimes. Ukubana last time when umntana kaMayeni was poisoned, she claimed ukubana Musa Mseleko wasn't there for her. She had to deal with all of this all alone. But now we can see Kari Musa Mseleko is supporting umntanakhe uMpumelelo as amusho ukubana hayi Sibindi uyabulala uyaphilisa kwakhona. Those were like ajulile man lamagama, like ajulile ukubana someone will be like, okay, I knew ukubana you could do something like this, but I didn't really know ukubana you can actually do it. Like, I know you could kill for your family, but I didn't know you can actually kill. So yeah, now we're wondering ukubana kutheni ayisuse zonke le ithombe zakhe kwa Instagram after this ideal happened. Was it naye uMseleko did believe ukubana the intruder was indeed looking for uSamke? Okanye amanye amakhosikazi ayanqabela? Yo guys, there's a lot that is happening nje. A lot, like the drama keeps on dramaing. Hey, the entertainment keep on entertaining us, guys, and like we are on our toes of ukubana what will be happening on the next episode. who did what, who ended up doing what, who said what. Like at this moment nje iy'mfihlo ziyaphuma left, right and center nje. Ababo sine bayasho ukuthi uma Ngwabe said ukubana nje i-roles zakhe yeyi kuningi kaMseleko kuningi. Yekelani utata abantu aze aphathwa yi-stroke nkosi yami, amelwa yinhliziyo guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you also think ukubana uMseleko did believe ukubana the intruder was there checking out number 5 uMakhwela? Let me know in the comment section guys. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.